Hey guys, this is Ryan with Agri Drones. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Autel EVO Lite 640T. This is going to be one of the smaller offerings from Autel, more similar to a Mavic, for example. So pull your inner box out of your outer box here. And here we go. This is our hard shell case with our entire drone package ready for operation inside of here. So to open it, just like the other Autel products, we have a kind of a double cam lock system here. Going to push down and out, which will release your lock. Open it up. And inside of here, we're going to have our large remote, our drone, cords, looks like 2 batteries, and some props. So let's get into this. All right, so the first thing we're going to look at here is our remote. And this is the larger remote as well. This is going to have your 8-inch touchscreen with a 4-hour battery life and your 12.4 mile range from your remote to your drone. The quality of these remotes are really high. Feels heavy, feels good in your hands. The screen just fits really well whenever you're actually using it. Next up, we're going to pull out all of our charger cords here. So you've got your charger for your drone batteries themselves and the secondary plug that goes to that. Got a power brick here, and that power brick is going to go with your USB-C cable that's going to go to your remote. Also in that same cubby is going to be a full set of props here. Very nice to have those. As well as a lanyard to clip to your remote and put it around your neck if you want to. All right, so we're gonna get into our batteries here. You actually have 3 batteries with this drone. So you've got 2 that are not in the drone, obviously, and you have 1 that will be in the drone. These batteries are gonna give this drone about a 40-minute flight time. We've got some pamphlets also tucked in there. Instruction manuals. And last, we've got our drone itself. So to unfold the drone, just like normal, you're gonna fold out your front arms first, and then your back arms. They're gonna snap real lightly in place. You'll hear the snap. And then on the back side here, it's gonna be a little bit different when you do take your battery off. So you're still gonna have your pinch it, and it's gonna slide off, and it's gonna slide off the entire back half of that drone. You can just replace the battery just like normal, slide it in there, it'll clip back in place. This drone has obstacle avoidance on the front, bottom, and rear, not on the top. The camera gimbal is going to be released with your gimbal cover here. Going to pull the bottom, it's going to come off just like so. And you have a camera, you have a thermal camera and a zoom camera on here. Your thermal camera is going to be a 640 by 512 resolution. And then your zoom camera is going to be a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor with a 48 megapixel camera and is going to be able to film it up to 8K. This drone has a 40-minute flight time with a top speed of 40 miles an hour, although it is not IP rated, so we don't suggest flying this in the rain. This is a little bit smaller than your EVO Max, but it still has the same high build quality just like all the other Autel drones. The 640T isn't quite as versatile as the EVO Max, and that is because of the inability to mount attachments or other equipment to the drone itself, such as a spotlight or a speaker system. It also doesn't have a built-in beacon, so night operations, you'll have to attach your own beacon to it. It also is not water rated or IP rated, so that's another thing to keep in mind. However, it is still a great choice for police departments, fire departments, search and rescue, deer recovery, and surveying. Stay tuned for more content coming very soon on this drone and other drones across the Autel lineup. Thanks.